Hey y'all, season with another video. This time we're gonna be doing okra water. I have been seeing people talk about okra water and I be on chlorophyll and juicing already. So I was like, let me try some okra water. So what I did is I went to go buy some from the store. I cut some up, ended up putting some in a mason jar. You're supposed to fill it up with water and then put it in the fridge. Now, I was gonna drink this straight, but I decided not to because it's slimy and I am a textured person. So what I've been seeing is that you could put it in a glass and then you can also put lemon in there to make it taste a little bit better. But what I ended up doing was juicing and then putting the okra water in there. But supposedly okra water is supposed to be very beneficial, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you how. Okra water is rich in antioxidants. Okra water contains vitamin A and C, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. It can help with your digestive health system, and it has a good source of dietary fiber, which can aid digestion, promote regular bowel movements, and prevent constipation. Some studies suggest that okra can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for people with diabetes. Okra water is hydrating, which is essential for overall health and the proper functioning of bodily system. As previously stated, okra is packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B and K, folate, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for various bodily functioning. Okra water can help with inflammation, reducing it, which link to many chronic diseases. Now, those are all the things that the internet provides. However, the reason why people are doing okra water or have been doing okra water is because the girls need to be knowing how to get that splish splash. And also, when women are having babies, it is known that okra water helps them and has the baby slipping right out. I've been seeing little testimonies in the comments on TikTok, Instagram, and I was like, let me try okra water. You know, I never had a problem in the splish splash area, but I mean, if it can help me beneficially with my body and anything else, I am going to try it. So what I did is I put it in some of my juice that I did make. I think my juice had celery, apple, cucumbers, and some lemon. I didn't have ginger, and it wasn't as good as I usually have it. But anyway, so I don't have to taste like this nasty foul taste first trying okra water. I just said, let me go ahead and put some in the juice that I have made. As you can see, when it came out of that mason jar, it was so slimy. So I had to mix this up. Look, it's still slimy as I'm mixing it up in the juice, but it had to be done. Go ahead and seal that baby up. And then here's a clip of me trying it, y'all. I was so skeptical, but it was cold. We was finna see what it was gonna do. And here is the real testimonial. This is no takeover. This is my first time trying it. And it honestly had a bad little taste to it, but it wasn't that bad where it's not bearable. So try you some okra water, get you some benefits out of it, get that splish splash baby, or if you need it to help you with the delivery of your child, go ahead and try some okra water and see how it does. Come back to the comments and let me know how you liked it. Bye.